Bottom line, if you want to get better at something, you just gotta dive in, jump in, and do it. I, in the last half an hour, have become a better welder. It's more than a half an hour, but seriously, this stuff is funky. It's super funky. So, you know, and the only way to get better at something is you do it and you push yourself and you push that edge of what your capabilities do. And when you fail, oh well, so what? You get back at it and you do it again. That's just how it is right now. We are diving in, and this is I think, some of the most difficult welding that I have done in I don't know how long. And who knew that this was going to be so hard? It would be easier, yes it would be, if I had one of those lever contraptions that I could put this down and roll it around and move it around just so gravity would work with me in every one of my welds. But that's not what I get to do right now, and it's super important to work with what you got. And maybe because I've worked with what I've got for as long as I have, that's why I can do what I do and do the welds that I do, because man, this is growth right before my very eyes. Frustration, yes, so what? Blow it off, blow it out, and I'm concentrating on how much better I'm getting moment to moment. Yes. Man, this is where my yoga really comes into play, because the physical holding of the positions, and you go until you don't think you can go anymore, and you just have to completely let go and stay totally focused on the weld, and you go farther, and then you go farther. It's so exciting to just be able to keep going, and the strength and the things that you outside of your life that you do outside of this right here, all are for me, the betterment of what I do right here in my shop. I go to yoga because it makes me flexible and I can hold positions longer in weird ways to weld more. It's really all about that. It's all about welding more and better. Yes. That was the 5th one. Yow! Cool.
You know, she heard you were in here all the way down the street. She knows whether you're here or not.
That's cool. Wait, you're on track. Here you go.
Shaped up, isn't it?
I know. It's so exciting. Oh, Angel, there's only a little bit left. We'll get you peanut butter on a stick.
I'm just astounded at how much work that is.
Isn't it crazy? There's a ton of work that goes into that. This is it, you know, one single part at a time, and caretaking as we go through. It feels really good. I'm super excited because there's just one step after the next, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. Thanks for watching Looking into the Light with Stargaard Art. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked any of it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you'll get a notification when we do another Looking into the Light. Bye everybody.